Hello everybody and welcome back to these short Mac trainings. Today we'll talk a little bit about applications and packages. Every single application you have on your Macintosh is actually a package, right? Which actually makes it very easy for the user. You just right click on the application, send to trash, and everything goes away, right? So if you go into the application folder, Command Shift A, you're going to see all the applications you have on your computer here. So if you right click on an application and you move to trash, every single piece of that application goes away. So there is no uninstall, no looking for files to remove related to the application, and so far and so forth, right? So let's talk a little bit about advanced options. If you right click on an application and show package contents, you're going to see that every single application is actually a package, a type of archive, like a like a CAB file for Microsoft Windows and so far and so forth, that contains everything that application needs to function correctly, right? So you can go into the contents of the application and actually modify files like configuration files and anything that you can uh, modify to make the application work the way you want it. We're gonna make a short example to show you how that works. So let's try with iTunes application, for example. We're gonna show package contents, go to contents, resources. We'll just modify one of these, generate JPG, right? So let's modify the sci-fi, for example. Let's see, sci-fi. There are two sci-fi, and sci-fi M. Sci-fi is for music, sci-fi M is for movies. So let's modify this one. We're gonna open it up and just do a little modification. Let's see, so modify this one, for example. Just gonna close it and save it. So now if you open iTunes, let me quit it and open it up again, you'll see that the sci-fi fantasy picture has those rectangles on it that we drawn, right? So this is how you can actually modify the packages of an application. You can of course do more advanced modifications if you know how to do it. For example, let's take the calculator application and you can modify, for example, the conversion to base file. So sorry, there it is. You can modify, for example, weight and masses. Well, everything is correct over here, but if you want to modify it, you can modify it so a metric ton is not 0.001 kilograms, but more than that or less, and so far and so forth, right? You can also modify, for example, the financial rates if you think they are incorrect or something is out of place. You can modify how much US dollar is as opposed to a Canadian dollar, and so far and so forth, right? Okay, so this is how you can modify applications, the package actually, the files, the configuration files in the package to make the application work the way you want it. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to visit our blog, watermarked at the bottom of the video, and of course please subscribe if you like these short tutorials. Thank you.